In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort numbers largest to smallest in Google Sheets. If you just need a quick no-fuss sort, the fastest method takes 2 clicks. Move your mouse to the top of the column you want to sort, the gray letter box at the very top. Click the little drop-down arrow that appears and choose Sort Sheet Z to A. In Google Sheets, Z means the largest value and A the smallest, so Z to A sorts in descending order. Instantly, your highest numbers rise to the top, and the rest follow underneath. Google Sheets keeps entire rows together when you use Sort Sheet, so any labels or related columns in that row will move with the number you sorted by. This is great for seeing top performers, big expenses, or any metrics where you want the heavy hitters first. Sometimes, though, you don't want to rearrange the whole sheet, especially if you have multiple tables sitting side by side. In that case, use Sort Range. First, highlight only the block of data you want to sort. Then go to the Data menu, choose Sort Range, and open the advanced options. If your selection includes a header row, things like title, amount, or date, turn on the option that says your range has a header row. That tells Sheets to keep the headings out of the sort so they don't get mixed in with your numbers. From there, pick the column you want to sort by and choose Z to A so the largest values appear first. Because you selected just a range, everything outside that highlight stays put. Here's a pro tip if you want your list to stay sorted automatically as your data changes. Use the sort formula to create a live sorted view. For example, type each sort A2 B10 to false. The first part, A2 B10, is the range you're sorting. The 2 tells Sheets to sort by the second column in that range. And false means descending order, largest to smallest. The result is a separate list that updates the moment you edit or add data in the source range. Place the formula where you want the sorted output to appear, and make sure there's enough empty space below it so the results aren't blocked. With these options, you can choose between a quick, whole sheet sort, a targeted range sort, or an always up-to-date formula-driven list, whichever best matches your workflow.